Dip the rim of a hurricane glass in cream of coconut and then into coconut flakes, and place the glass in the freezer to chill. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice and pour in 2 ounces of dark rum, 1 ounce of Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur, 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, 3 ounces of fresh pineapple juice, 3 ounces of fresh orange juice, and 1.5 ounces of heavy cream. Shake until chilled. Fill your cocktail glass with ice, then pour the cocktail in, and slowly over the back of the spoon, float your grenadine. Now garnish with mini marshmallows, a Luxardo cocktail cherry, and you're ready to enjoy the Ambrosia cocktail. A drink fit for the gods, created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com.